the Sweet Pea Chef, and welcome back. As you can probably tell, I love hot drinks during this time of year. There's just something about a hot drink on a cold day that just warms my soul, and I just absolutely love them. What I don't love is the high price tag on my wallet and on my health if I get them at a coffee shop. So today, how about I share with you a delicious and easy homemade hot chocolate recipe that you can make with your family. You can make it ahead of time, and it is so a family favorite. Plus, you can make it as a gift and give it away, and people will love you for it. So let's get started. So we've probably all had that hot chocolate mix that you've gotten out of your pantry that is just a bunch of artificial ingredients. If you've ever looked at it, look at those ingredients. The first ingredient is typically sugar, followed by dried corn syrup, followed by like 30 or 40 different ingredients that are not good for you. It is not how hot chocolate should be. Let me tell you, you can make it so much easier. And so first, I'm gonna show you how to make your own homemade hot chocolate dry mix that we'll add liquid to later. That way, you can have it stored in your pantry, ready to go, and already good for you, and then you just add your liquids when you want it. Plus, this is how you add it as a gift as well. So in a mixing bowl, we're gonna add in some unsweetened dark cocoa powder, followed by some coconut sugar, a little sea salt, some vanilla powder, and some ground cinnamon. Then we're gonna stir this to combine really evenly. If you happen to have a difficult time finding vanilla powder, you can always just add vanilla extract when you add your liquids later. It's an equal 1-to-1 ratio. So if you don't have that, you can add it later, no worries. And now, poof, you have your own homemade hot chocolate mix. This can be stored in an airtight container. You can pre-portion it out for your own individual hot chocolate cups. This recipe makes 4 individual cups that make a delicious hot chocolate. But let me show you now how to turn this hot chocolate mix into hot chocolate. And it's so easy and very yummy. So we're gonna start heating a saucepan over medium-high heat. Then we're gonna add in our hot chocolate mix. Now, stirring or whisking constantly, we're gonna pour in slowly some milk. I use unsweetened almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. We're gonna pour it all the way in, and then we're gonna whisk it together. We're looking for all of the dry ingredients to get nicely mixed up and dissolve into the milk. Now we just wanna bring this mixture to a simmer. We do not want it to boil because it could boil over. We don't need to get it that hot. We just wanna bring it to a simmer, stirring constantly so that all of the flavors get nicely mixed together and it gets nice and creamy. Then just pour this mixture on into your favorite mug, and you have yourself a steaming hot cup of hot cocoa that is so yummy this time of year, and it is definitely a family and crowd pleaser. If you wanted to prep this hot chocolate ahead of time, you could just let it cool at this point and then transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days. Then when you're ready to reheat it, just reheat it back on the stove until it's heated through. I love serving this hot chocolate topped with a little bit of whipped cream, which if you're looking for a clean eating recipe for whipped cream, check out my strawberry shortcake video where I show you how to make whipped cream using just a few ingredients, and it's made out of coconut milk, super yummy. So then, of course, we gotta top it with a little bit of extra cinnamon. My kids also like to add a little bit of ground nutmeg to it. It is so easy and so delicious, and I promise you will never want that box stuff again. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give this recipe video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go make yourself some hot chocolate and let me know how you enjoy it. Thanks so much, I'll see ya, bye-bye.